Hello everyone. In this video today we are discuss about the technical analysis of the Euro USD, USD Swiss franc and the USD yen based on the upcoming US non-farm payroll data. So let's begin. If you look at the Euro USD right now, the Euro USD respect the 1.05340 psychological number. So after respect this level, there is some pullback is happening right now in the Euro USD. So if you look at the dollar index right now, the dollar index broke above the 105.500 psychological level and respect the 106.00 psychological level. So after respect this level, we will see some sideways momentum in happening right now in the dollar index. So tomorrow, if the US non-farm payroll data is favorable for the US dollar, then we'll see some further downside momentum will be happen for the Euro USD. If the Euro USD break the 1.05340 psychological number, then our next target should be the 1.0500 psychological number downwards. So there is another scenario can be happen if the US non-farm payroll data is not positive for the US dollar, then we will see some further upward momentum or pullback can be happened in the Euro USD. So you have to look for this 1.0700 psychological number. So after reaching this level, if you see the further rejection candle or any market sentimental confirmation, then you can re-engage this trade for the downside. Then your first target should be the 1.0600 psychological number. So if the Euro USD break above the 1.0700 psychological number, then your next target should be the 1.07500 psychological number for watching. So my next pair is USD Swiss franc. So if you look at the USD Swiss franc right now, so USD Swiss franc respect the 0.92800 psychological number, and there is a strong bounce back in the USD Swiss franc and moving towards the 0.94500 psychological number. So USD Swiss franc respect this level, and there is a slight pullback is happening right now in the USD Swiss franc. So if the US non-farm payroll data is favorable for the US dollar, then we will see some further upward momentum will be happen in the USD Swiss franc. If the USD Swiss franc break above the 0.94500 psychological number, then our next target should be the 0.9500 psychological number. So there is another scenario can be happen if the US non-farm payroll data is not positive for the US dollar, then we'll see some downwards momentum will be happen in the USD Swiss franc. So based on this, our first target should be the 0.92800 psychological number. And if the USD Swiss franc break below this level, then our second target should be the 0.92220 psychological number. So my last and final pair is USD yen. So if you look at the USD yen right now, the USD yen respect the 138.00 psychological number, and there is some pullback is happening right now. It's currently moving towards the 135.500 psychological number. So if the US non-farm payroll data is positive for the US dollar, then we'll see some further upward momentum from this level 135.500 psychological number. Then our first target should be the again 138.00 psychological number. If the USD yen break above this level, then our second target should be the 139.00 psychological number. For the second scenario, if the US non-farm payroll data is not positive for the US dollar, then we'll see some further downside momentum will be happen in the USD yen. Then if the USD yen break below the 135.200 psychological level, then our first target should be the 134.00 psychological level. And if the USD yen break below this level, then our second target should be the 132.500 psychological level. So that's all. Trade your plan carefully.